Hi, this is Jennifer Hudson, Director of Instruction at Sankaty Head Golf Club, here with another quick tip to help you this week at the course. We're going to talk about how learning your wrist hinge in your golf swing can be as simple as taking a sip of water. Now, if you look at how my elbow is folding and my hand is hinging to bring the water bottle to my lips, that's the same motion we need to make in our golf swing. So, if I back up to my golf ball here, what I want to do is start with the water cap pointed right down at the ball, my right hand, and swing it back until the water bottle is straight up and down again. Let me do that again. It's the water bottle in a position to where I can keep my drink in the cup, and then raise it to my lips. We'll do the same thing from the left hand. Again, water cap pointed at the ball. Swing it back until it's upright in the air, still able to take my drink, and up to my lips. Common mistake that I see a lot of our ladies make is they would take their water bottle back this way. You can see how I'm kind of chucking it over my shoulder or around my arm. If I do it from my left hand, it usually happens from a bowed left wrist. Again, I want to practice both hands being able to cradle the water bottle so that it's hinged to the upright position, upright position, upright position. If I equate that to the toe of the club, so the balance of this club is going to be like the balance of the water bottle. The toe is the same as the water cap here. So when I swing back, I want to keep the water bottle, hinge my hands to keep the water upright. And this is going to get me in the best position with my wrist hinge, be able to relax, hinge well with a balanced club, and have a great shot. Again, this is Jennifer Hudson, Director of Instruction at Sankaty Head Golf Club. Hope you have a great week out at the course.